This is the new Moser HGP H-pattern shifter. Included in the box is a screw-on metal shift knob, a coiled RJ cable, mounting hardware, Allen key and a USB cable. The first thing to notice about the shifter is the substantial weight and solid metal construction. It has a gated 7-speed shift pattern with a reverse gear, but no sequential mode is found on this shifter. The shift knob is made of metal and has a diameter of 50mm. This screws directly onto the shifter shaft. Being interchangeable, it allows for different custom shift knobs to be installed. The shifter has the dimensions of 241mm high by 100mm wide and 143mm in length. And the complete shifter weight weighs in at 1.3 kilos. For shifting, the shift lever travel is approximately 85mm from 3rd to 4th gear. Taking a closer look, we can notice an internal dust boot which protects the inner mechanism from dust and other debris. On the bottom we have a 5mm thick mounting base plate. The shifter can be mounted via the front and back slots, or from underneath using the threaded holes. It would be good to also see some mounting options on the sides. The shifter can be mounted directly to a rig or to the optional table clamp for desk users. On the back of the shifter, 2 connection port options can be found. The transit port for direct connection to a compatible Moser wheelbase or the Moser hub, and the USB port for direct connection to a PC. Inside, the shifter has metal components for all the moving parts. It also uses 15-bit non-contact angle sensors for long life and precision shifting. Despite the extensive metal build, the shaft does become thinner in the middle and has a plastic sleeve to stop the metal-on-metal contact noise on the gates. Having a thinner section on the shaft may lead it to being a failure point, but only time will tell on the durability. In use, it has felt solid and without any issues, only showing some small markings on the plastic outer cover. By using a USB connection, the shifter can be independently connected of the wheelbase and pedals, therefore being able to be used with other brand wheelbases on a PC. Before driving with the shifter, the Moser Pithouse software is installed and opened. It's recommended to complete a firmware update for the hardware. Simply click on Version Checking and then on Upgrade All in one click. In the side menu, click on the shifter icon to open the shifter settings. In the menu, we have the new throttle blip system. When downshifting, the shifter will automatically blip the throttle to assist with rev matching, helping to keep the vehicle balanced while racing. It's perfect for those who don't like to do heel-toe downshifts. The auto blip can be customized to adjust the RPM output and the duration of the throttle blip. This feature is only compatible when using Moser pedals. To calibrate the shifter, click on the Start Calibrate button. Within 10 seconds, shift into reverse and into the 7th gear to set the limits. The calibration is a quick and easy process to complete. Once complete, we can test by selecting the gears to check they are calibrated correctly. The shifter has a very positive clicky shift mechanism with a firm shift feel when changing gears, encouraging you to use correct shifting techniques to ensure no misshifts. Changing into reverse and 7th gear requires a firm push down on the gear knob before allowing the gear selection. This stops accidental shifting into these gears. Having a positive firm shift feel and open gate also comes with it being a bit louder. Here is a sound sample of the shifter in action. In a future version 2, we hope to see small improvements including side mounting options, adjustable shift tension and a sequential mode. Overall, this is an excellent solid metal shifter made by Moser with a firm positive shift feel to meet all your manual driving needs.